Hi guys, I'm Kirby Diaz and today I'm going to cook a chicken pasta mushroom. And this is my ingredients: onion, garlic, mushroom, and chicken breast, oil, Alaska evap, and Nestle cream and pasta. That's it. Put a little bit oil on boiling water, and after that, put the pasta and wait the simmer. And after put the pasta, boil it at 10 minutes or 15. And after the boiling, drain the pasta. This is the set of making sauce pasta. First is fry the chicken breast until it golden brown. After that, saute the onion and garlic. Put the Alaska and Nestle cream. Put salt, pepper, and cheese. And after, put mushroom and chicken. And wait until it cooks. This is my final product. Now, what can you say about my cooking?
Tastes good.